Hi everybody, I am going to discuss parameterized constructor in Java. When a constructor can take parameters from the main, then it is said to be parameterized constructor. A constructor is same as, constructor's name is same as, a constructor name is same as class name, but we can pass different numbers of different types of arguments within a class. So let us consider the parameterized constructor. Import java.io.stir. So these are the packages. We are going to import those packages in our program to use the facilities, functions or classes within the packages. Import java.util.scanner. Then these are the packages which are imported in our program. These are the packages which are imported in our program. Now the class name is suppose addition, and these are the data members, suppose A, B and C. And addition, remember one thing, constructor never return anything, not even void. Constructor never return anything, not even void. So no need to write anything before the name of the constructor. Just addition suppose, and parameters are suppose x int y. These are the parameters. X is used to transfer the value to A, y is used to transfer the value to B. So this is the parameterized constructor. When a constructor can take parameter from the user, then it is said to be parameterized constructor. Here addition is the parameterized constructor. Suppose we can write another constructor, addition int x. Now this is one argument constructor. It is also said to be parameterized constructor. A equal to x and b equal to x. X is copy to both a and b. So when a constructor can take parameter, it is said to be parameter constructor. It can be one argument, two argument, or many arguments. Now suppose there is a functions void output, which is used to add two numbers, c equal to a plus b, and print the result. System dot out dot println result of addition plus c, and this is the end of the class. Now the class is created. We have to call it from the main. So class addition test, and public static void main, public static void main string args. This is used to command line argument, and public is accessible to all. Class within the main cannot be used to create any objects. That was static void may return nothing. Main is the main function, string is the wrapper class, and argument is the command line argument, which is an array. Right. Now we have to create the objects. The name of the class is addition, and suppose we create a1 object, new addition. Within the addition, suppose 5. When you write 5, then 5 is transferred to the x. When you create object a1, then the value within the object is transferred to the constructor with the parameter with x. So x is transferred to this constructor, x is transferred to this constructor, and x is transferred to a and b variable, and x is transferred to a and b variable. Now suppose addition, another object is created. Suppose addition a2 equal to new addition 5, 6. Then 5 is transferred to x and 6 is transferred to y. X is transferred to a. I mean x is initialized to a and y is initialized to b. So this is two argument constructor. Now we can call a1 dot output. Then it will show the output 5 plus 5, because value is copied to x is copied to a, x is copied to b. So a and b are same. A plus b mean it will show 10. When you will show the output a1 dot a2 dot output, it will display 5 plus 6 equal to 11. So this is the concept of parameter constructor. So parameter mean when a constructor is called, it will take some parameter from the main. When the object is created, main will consider the values from the object. When an object is created, we specified some value within the object. That's why it is known as parameterized constructor. So this is the this 5 will transfer to the 1 argument constructor, and this 5,6 will transfer to the 2 argument constructor. So we can pass parameters within the constructor. So parameterized constructor mean when we pass parameters within the constructor, then it is said to be parameterized constructor. Thank you very much for watching this video. Share and subscribe it. Thank you.